how to create 3 customized 3D interactive treatment options in under 3 minutes, increase case acceptance and improve medico-legal documentation. For more information, please visit dentalmaster.com. Prosthetic planning, workflow, import the panoramic X-ray initial case setup. Select the missing tooth, delete the missing tooth, save as current situation, and create a new treatment option. For denture planning, select the region of the missing tooth, choose upper and or lower denture. Select Vitalium material, select teeth for clamps, add clamps, save as current situation, and create a new treatment option for crown and root canal planning. Select all teeth requiring root canal treatment, arrow and right end abutments. Select all teeth within the prosthetic range, add crowns, save as current situation and create a new treatment option. For implant planning, select implant placement location, add implant, add screw abutment, select all teeth within range, add crowns. Start 3. D-visualization. Open 3D view. Select prosthetic restoration. Play customized upper or lower 3D animations. Select printing. Open print menu and select prosthetic restoration and choose to save as PDF or print with or without pricing.